In this video, I want to talk about the cardiovascular system and how kind of the blood flow goes to the heart. I'm going to go through like the simple-esque terms and get more advanced in later videos the more we talk about it. Starting off simple, blood is going to flow into the right atrium from the superior inferior vena cava. 70 to 80% of that blood is going to be passively leaking to the right ventricle. The rest is going to come from contractions of the right atrium. Rest of that blood is squeezed into the right ventricle. That blood is then going to go to the pulmonary artery. Once it goes to the pulmonary artery, it's going to go into the lungs, where O2, or oxygen, is going to be dropped into the blood, and CO2, that was originally on the blood, is going to be dropped off and into the lungs and then exhaled. That oxygenated blood is now going to come through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium and then go down to the left ventricle. Again, 70 to 80% of that blood is passively leaked. The rest of it is then going to come from contractions. The rest of the blood then goes into the left ventricle, and then that blood is going to go through the aorta, and then it's going to go to the arteries, the arterioles, the capillaries, the venules, and the veins, and it's going to recycle. Once it's getting to the capillaries, which is going to be the primary site of gas and nutrient exchange, we're going to have that oxygenated blood drop off its oxygen. For example, if we're running, our quad muscles are going to need oxygen along with all muscles in our body if we're running. But the quads are going to be the main focus, our lower legs, lower extremities. Those capillaries are then going to take that oxygen, use it for the muscle. That deoxygenated blood is then going to go from the venules to the veins back into the superior inferior vena cava, where that cycle repeats.